Hi, I'm Amitabh Iyer, and I am the Division Chief for Foot and Ankle Surgery in the Department of Orthopedics. I'm honored to meet you and your loved ones and be able to take care of you. One of the things that's most important to me is to treat my patients like my family, and I say this in part because of the journey I took in watching my mother deal with breast cancer when I was young. It was over the last few years, the last several years, I grew to develop an interest in orthopedics specifically and why I decided to pursue it for a residency. I went to foot and ankle surgery specifically because of my own personal experiences with foot and ankle injuries over the years, and definitely is something that I feel exceedingly passionate about, to be able to take care of you and your families. Taking care of patients and treating them like they are my own family is one of the tenets to the way I approach clinical care. And whether that's for forefoot pathology that includes minimally invasive techniques such as minimally invasive bunion corrections, or midfoot or hindfoot or even ankle pathology, I will always go above and beyond to try to help you and find solutions to try to improve your quality of life. One of the facets of my practice that's particularly important is research, and research becomes really important to be able to better define patient outcomes and to identify what technologies, whether they be older or newer, work for patients and what doesn't, more importantly. To be able to do that and share the results with you is exceedingly important in my ability to care for you now and in the future. This is something I look forward to being able to share the data and the results and to be able to provide you with solutions that may be in the box or out of the box thinking, but to be able to take care of you in the best way possible. I've made my way back to Baltimore largely in part because of family and also because I'm a diehard Ravens fan. So with that in mind, I want to extend the same degree of care to you and your loved ones because you are my family. And whether this means finding solutions that I can afford you or trying to go above and beyond to find solutions that may be out of the box thinking, this is something that's exceedingly important to me. I will be happy to take care of you and your family and look forward to meeting you. Thank you for your time.